Hi, welcome to Altair Engineering Training and Support. In this video, you are going to learn how to install HyperWorks version 12 on Windows 7 64-bit operating system. To check the operating system of your machine, you can right-click on My Computer, Properties, then you can view the system settings here. That on System Type panel, you will find the operating system. So in my machine I have Windows 7 64-bit operating system. So you have to check what version of Windows you have. So I have Windows 7 64-bit operating system. So now first of all I will show you how to download the setups of Altair HyperWorks version 12. Copy this link and open it on the internet browser, say on Google Chrome. Once you click enter, then it will ask username and password to log into this site. This is a secure website for the setup downloads. This website contains the setup for 32-bit operating system and 64-bit operating system. So enter the login ID as Altair, ALTAIREDU, as you can see here, ALTAIREDU, and password as SAE Baja, BAJA, and 2014. So you can check it from here, that SAE Baja and 2014. Please note that don't copy and paste this login ID and password on the required username and password location. Instead of it, type there the username and password. Then click on login. Once you click on login, it will show you two folders for two different operating system. One is for 32-bit operating system, the setups, and another set of files are for 64-bit operating system. So as I have 64-bit operating system, so I will click on HyperWorks Windows Win 64-bit. So it will open all the required setups for 64-bit operating system. Download all the folders, all the setup files, and club it in a single folder. As I have clubbed this in, as you can see on D drive, I have clubbed it on HW12 software. So I have downloaded all the setup files, that is HW12 Windows 64.exe, HW Desktop 12.0 Windows 64 exe, HW Desktop Help 12.0 Windows 64 exe, HW Solver 12.0 64 Windows 64 exe, HW Solver Help 12.0 Windows 64 exe, ST9 HW12 Windows 64 exe. So make sure you have downloaded all these 6 exe files, that is setup files, and paste this set of files in single folder. Then click on the master side exe file, double click on master exe file. A pop-up will appear that do you want to allow the following program for an unknown publish to make changes to this computer. Click yes. So install anywhere program will start installing it. Then once the install anywhere setup extracts all the necessary files, then a setup window will appear. Select the language as English from the drop box. Click on OK. Then it will execute all the necessary files. Then for Altair HyperWorks Master Installer 12.0 Windows 64-bit operating system, click next on Introduction. Then make sure it has listed all the executables on the folder which I have selected, as it will install HyperWorks Desktop 12.0 Windows 64.exe, HW Solver 12.0 underscore Win64.exe. So I will cross check it with the setup files I have. So you can cross check it from here. So it has HW Desktop 12.0, HW Desktop Help. You can see here from HW Desktop Help, HW Desktop 12.0 64exe, then HW Solver, HW Solver, then Solver Help. This is the Solver Help, and ST HW, that is Solid Thinking Inspire. So in this way it has picked all the exe files, and during the installation it will install all the necessary setups on my machine. Then click next on executable list. You can see here the executable list. Click next on it. Then this is the copyright form, so click next for the copyright form. Select the installation type. For all the Baha teams, we have generated the license for local standalone machines, so select local server, local machines, then click next. Don't pick server radio button, make sure your local radio button is selected, then click next. Select the folder or location path where you want to install it. So I will install it at C program files Altair. I will rename it as Altair underscore 12, and in that it will create one more 12.0, and click on next. Before that you have to make sure that you have at least more than 10 to 15 GB of space free on your C drive. So as you can see here, I have more than 90 GB of free space on my C drive, so I will install it on my C drive. If I don't have, so I can install it on either D or E on any other drives on my system. So I can change it the location from here, or else you can click on choose and select the location where you want to install it. Then click next. Select the shortcut folder name. For 62-bit it will be added on Altair HyperWorks 12. So also it will ask you, would you like to install desktop shortcuts? So no, I don't want to install the desktop shortcut, so I will select no here. Then I click next. So it will show you the setups on the software which it will install. So it is going to install desktop application, that is HyperWorks Desktop, HyperStudy, HyperMath, Solvers, Manufacturing Solutions, Engineering Solution, Solid Thinking, Inspire and Evolve, Help Files and Tutorials. Then click next and select the setup as complete. So in this way it will create a pre-installation summary. So the product name is HyperWorks Master Installer 12, installation folder, the shortcut folder where it will create a shortcut, and the features it is going to install. The disk space you can see here, the required disk space is 8.2 GB, and available is around 160 GB on the C drive. Then click on install. Once you click install, it will start installing. So HyperWorks, Altair HyperWorks 12, the installation will take around 30 to 45 minutes maximum, depending on your hardware of your personal machine or of your machine. So it will keep on executing all the necessary files and folders apart from tutorial files and supporting documents on the required location which we have chosen for the installation. Okay, now my installation has got completed. So I'll click on done to quit the installer. Now I'll go to my computer, C drive, program files, Altair 11, sorry, Altair 12 folder. In this 12.0 security. Here I will paste the license file. So if I go to start all programs, Altair HyperWorks 12 64-bit and click on Hypermesh. So if I don't paste the license file, you will find this type of error, that C program files Altair security Altair underscore lic dot dat unable to read the file. So if you find this type of error, you have to paste the license file. So you have missed to paste the license file in required location. I'll say OK. So I have received the license file in this format. Before renaming it, I will open it on the notepad. I will see this Ethernet ID should match with the Ethernet physical address on my command prompt. So I will click on start and type CMD. Here I will type IPCONFIG \all. So it will generate all the physical addresses of my machine. So I'll go to up, and if I scroll down, I will find if any of the physical addresses is matching is with this Ethernet ID. So I'll find this one. This physical address is completely matching with the Ethernet ID given on my license file. So it's 183D A220CA E4. This one is matching with. So I will first check whether the physical address is matching with the Ethernet ID available on the license file or not. So once I confirm that, so I'll close these both the windows and rename it as ALTAIR underscore LIC. You don't have to put .dat on it because it's already in .dat format. So if you double times put it, it will again not recognize that. Then I will copy this license file and paste it in security folder. Now I close this. Again I will click on start all programs, Altair HyperWorks 12, Hypermesh. Also I will paste this license file in program files, Altair 12 security under bin, as well as in Win32. So on all these three locations I will paste the license file and check it as all programs, Hypermesh. So now as you click on Hypermesh, it will show you one or more of the required features checked. Out will be expire in 5 days. So your license file will show you the message that on after how many days your license file will get expired. Then click on OK. This will launch Hypermesh GUI. So in this way you can install the Hypermesh or Altair HyperWorks version 12.0 on Windows 7 64-bit operating system. The process will remain same for 32-bit system, but you have to download the 32-bit setup from the given location. In this way we have ended with this video.